Hello everyone, myself Divakar sir, ICSE Study of Commerce, ICSE ninth class. Today I will teach you sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship. What is sole proprietorship? Yes, a sole proprietorship is a person who carries on business exclusively by and for himself. He is not only the owner of the capital of the understanding, but it is usually the organizer and manager and takes all the profits or responsibility for losses. That means single man business. You can say you are own boss, be your own boss. Okay, that means small type of business. Sole proprietorship means a business owned, financed and controlled by a single person. The owner, called the proprietor alone, he is responsible for the profits and loss of the business. Some popular definitions such as L.H. Haney, James Stephenson, J.L. Hansen has given the definition of sole proprietorship. Okay, next. This is features of sole proprietorship. What are the features of sole proprietorship? Yes, first of all, I will explain single ownership. In sole proprietorship, only one man business, single owners. That means it is wholly owned by one individual. The individual supplies the total capital from his own wealth or from borrowed funds. Anyhow, he is only and only the businessman. So he is the single ownership. Okay, sole proprietorship wholly owned by individually. That means you can say single ownership. And next is one man control. That means sole proprietorship business is only controlled by single person or one man. The proprietors alone takes all the decision pertaining to the business. He is not required to consult anybody. Ownership and management are vested. Vested, that means top, in the same person. Some persons may be employed to help the owner, but ultimate control lies with him. That means you can say one man control. Sole proprietorship business controlled by only one person. That's why you can say one man control. एक ही व्यक्ति इसको कंट्रोल करता है, वही फाइनेंस करता है, वही प्रॉफिट रिसीव करता है और वही लॉस को भी बियर करता है. नेक्स्ट, नो लीगल एंटिटी इन सोल proprietorship. This is small type of business. There is no legal entity. A sole proprietorship has no legal identity separate from that of its owners. The law makes no distinction between the proprietor and his business. The business and the owners exist together. दोनों साथ साथ में रहते हैं क्योंकि बिजनेस वहीं चलाता है जो बंदा ओनर होता है. That means you can say one man control and no legal entity in this business. If the owner dies or becomes insolvent, the business is dissolved. Business and the proprietor are one and the same. If the businessman or owners will die, then business automatically will end. Okay, that means say one man control and there is no legal entities. ज़्यादा कोई legal entities इसमें नहीं फॉलो करनी पड़ती हैं. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इज अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटी. बेटा केवल एक ही बंदा जब बिजनेस को सर्वाइव करता है, वहीं ऑपरेट करता है, वहीं कंट्रोल करता है, वहीं फाइनेंस करता है. दैट इज मीन्स ऑफ अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटीज़. बहुत सारी लायबिलिटीज़ उसके ऊपर होती हैं. सो यू कैन से दैट प्रोप्राइटरशिप इज़ पर्सनली लायबल फॉर ऑल द डेब्ट्स ऑफ द बिजनेस. सारी डेब्ट्स के लिए वहीं जिम्मेदार होता है, वहीं लायबल होता है. In case the assets are insufficient to meet its debts, the personal property of the proprietor can be attached. अगर उसके पास में sufficient debts नहीं होता है तो वो क्या करता है, वो अपनी पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी को भी उसमें अटैच कर देता है, उसमें ऐड कर देता है. तो अपनी पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी से भी सेल करके या एनी हाउ वो बिज़नेस को रन करने की कोशिश करता रहता है. इसलिए आप कह सकते हैं कि इसकी जो लायबिलिटीज़ होती हैं वो अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटीज़ होती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज no profit sharing. That means only one person is there, single person is there. A small business control finance and manage all the things. There is no profit sharing. Okay, कोई भी प्रॉफिट शेयर करने के लिए इस बिजनेस में नहीं होता है. ओनली वन मैन बिजनेस. द सोल प्रोप्राइटर्स अलोन इज इंटाइटल्ड टू ऑल द प्रॉफिट्स एंड लॉसेस ऑफ बिजनेस. He bears the complete risk and there is nobody to share the profit or losses of the business. केवल एक ही बंदा जब उस बिज़नेस को ऑपरेट करेगा, फाइनेंस करेगा, कंट्रोल करेगा और मैनेज करेगा, तो उसमें कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग करने के लिए नहीं होता. दैट मीन्स यू कैन से नो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग. दीज आर द फीचर्स ऑफ द sole proprietorship: single ownership, one man control, no legal entities, unlimited liabilities, no profit sharing. Okay, thank you.